And this bit of road now is gorgeous. Right. So that was flat. I think that was almost flat, by the way. Almost flat. Really lovely. So maybe if we do a bit of manual shifting here. Just keep it on the power. Third, I think. I'm not going to look down, but I'm pretty sure on the clickety-click that's third. Actually, looking down, you still can't tell what gear it is. But I'm pretty sure I came across to fourth and then down one. So that's second. Oh man, that's a big rev difference from second to third, isn't it? Oh, heavy on the, well, no, not heavy. The brakes in these cars, as everybody says, are just tremendous. And how do they do it? I mean, is it, because I think the rotors are pretty big, right? So maybe big rotors and pads. Smooth. Oh, so glorious. Smooth. Ah, so creamy. The engine and the suspension, the tires and the grip. You know, I wish I knew this road. Imagine if you lived here. Just these lovely sweeping curves and the quality of the tarmac as well, and there's no, you know, I want to say I'm not braking hard. I probably am braking quite hard, but there's no fade, there's no rumble. I feel like if I actually needed to make an emergency stop, I could. Oh, just glorious. If this is the only bit of my 30-minute YouTube video that I upload, it's the only bit that needs to be uploaded. Staggering. I'm gonna go back into D now. Probably need to let the old girl cool down a little bit, almost at the destination. I am so happy that they got a clear run. Man, I hope the GoPro is still recording and the battery didn't die or the memory card ran out or something. I really hope that caught it. Virginia is a lovely, lovely state. I'm so glad that we invest in our roads. I hope you've enjoyed the drive along. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing the GoPro again, and I actually